Welcome back to Dataworldsolution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I will show you how to use Databricks Utilities in Databricks. So before going forward, I request you to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started. Databricks Utilities help to combine different tasks in single notebook such as file operation and ETL tasks. Databricks Utilities are accessible only from Python, Scala and R cells, not from SQL cells. Let's create notebook and do demo on Databricks Utilities. Let's call it this notebook name Databricks Utilities. Okay, here is the default language of this notebooks is Python and my cluster is up and running. You can see here. You might remember if I want to list all the file available in root directory, you can use here %fs, which is magic command, and ls to list all the file and folder available in root directory. Okay, automatically compute resource connected success, and you can see here all the file and folder available in root directory. If you want to see file available in this Databricks dataset, you can use here copy space and remove this and enter. You can see here the file and folder available in this Databricks dataset. Okay, when you call this magic command fs, then it's basically Databricks called DBUtils package in this notebook. So let's use DBUtils package. Let's add some cell. I want fetch all folder and file available in root directory. Simply use here dbutils.fs. Let's use here dbutils.fs.ls, and I want to list all the file and folder available in root directly. Simply type here / in single quote dbutils. You can see here as we use with ls, same result using DBUtils package. Okay, you can see here is the tabular format, here is the list of file in Python list format. Okay, and let's use same dbutils.fs.ls, and I want to see all the file and folder available with this directory. Let's pass this dbutils.fs.ls, and I want to pass this directory. Then DBUtils list all the file and folder available in this directory / Databricks _ dataset. You can see here also COVID directory, Redmi directory, art dataset. You can explore airline dataset. Okay, so let's see. I want to see all the data available in this COVID folder. You can copy here and let's insert some cells, and I want to see the COVID data. So go to here COVID folder and control enter to list all the file available in this COVID folder. Okay, so you might be wondering why would we use the DBUtils package instead of magic command, which also lists all the file and folder. The answer is DBUtils package provide a greater flexibility as it can be combined with other language like Python, Scala and R. For example, if I want to go through the list of all file here, perform the additional operation, I simply write here for loop to iterate this folder. Okay, so let's do this for files in dbutils.fs.ls, and I want to, let us suppose, iterate over this COVID folder. Let's put in single quote and print it files. let us suppose. Okay, you can see here iterate over in this file available in COVID folder. Let's do additional command. Let us suppose I want to see only which end with slash, means I want to see only directory, not file. So you can write here if files dot names dot ends with in single quote / and you can write here, then you can see only the file available in this COVID directory which end with / means it is directly not file name. Okay, now let's add another cell. If you want to see the help with DBUtils package, you can type here DBUtils dot help. This is method, so in bracket you can see here all the utilities available with DBUtils package. Okay, here is the file system, one of them, some in experimental status and some in preview status. Now so let's add some cell, and I want to help on fs, so you can write here DBUtils dot fs dot help. Okay, you can see here the help on fs. If you pass here ls, then it show help on list ls command. This dbutils.fs.help, and in bracket you type here ls, then it show list of content of the directory, for example its display, folder and file. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.